Hello Stampin' friends, this is Monica Giberti with Stampin' with Monica, and I'm here to do a quick video to talk about my class to go. That is the Hello Ladybug class to go. I've based my design on the bundle right here. The supplies that you will receive included in the class is a goodie bag of Stampin' Up consumable supplies, and you get designer series paper, pearls, a pack, a bolt of ribbon, and a sheet of dimensionals. Also supplies to create 8 cards, and these are the cards right here, and you'll get to make 2 of each. 2 are fun folds, and the other one have a lot of fun techniques. So these, so the bundle is not included. You can choose to add the bundle to the registration if you'd like. And if you do so, it will be at a discounted, a special price. And also, because we are in celebration, you can also choose one level 1 celebration free item if you'd like. And so you just need to add that to the registration at time that you register. Also, these are the colors that you will need to complete the project as I designed. If you like, if you don't have it, but Pear Pizzazz, So Saffron, Real Red, Daffodil Delight, Memento Black ink, and Craft White ink. Something that you really need if you want to do the embellishments, you will need a set of Stampin' Blends in Basic Black and Cherry Gobbler to color the pearls. Just to let you know, color pearls right there. So yet again, all the details are in the link below, and I have another some add-ons if you're interested. These are extras, so these are the punches that I used, but everything will come punched for you. So just to let you know, I used the medium daisy punch and as well as the new bow punch there. This is a new mini. So as I said, all the details are in the link below this video. Registration closes on February 28th, and I will have limited kits available. So hurry up and register. I hope you're going to join it. Bye.